Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chamba Jacob. I've got a question with me right over here. We need to find the value of x. So how do we get to find the value of x when given an exponential equation like what we have right over here? So what we can do here is to copy what we've been given. That's 4 power x minus a 2 power x is equal to a 12. Okay? And when we copy, we write now this base, so it will be a 2 power 2. Of course, we know that when we say 2 power 2, this will give us a 4. So it will be power x right here minus a 2 power x, which is equal to a 12. Like that, okay? So now, we need to use what we call commutative. So you can see these two powers can switch because they're being multiplied. We know that power to power, we multiply. So we're going to write this as 2 power x and power 2 here minus a 2 power x is equal to a 12. Just like that. So at this point in time, since we've got similar terms, you can see this and this, we can say let a be equal to 2 power x. Okay? So we just want to form a quadratic equation so that we solve it and then we come and use the solutions to find the value of x. So we shall say a power 2 minus a is equal to a 12. So this is a quadratic equation. We formed a quadratic equation. Now we can write it in standard form, and this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so we've got a quadratic equation right over here. So now this quadratic equation to be solved, we can write a here, and then we put the bracket, a, another a there, we say equal to a 0. So we think of two numbers such that when we multiply them, they give us a negative 12. And when we add those two numbers, they give us a negative 1. Those two numbers will be a negative 4 and a positive 3. Okay, so the numbers, we write them here. When we multiply, negative 4 times 3 will get a negative 12, and negative 4 plus 3 will get a negative 1. So from this stage, of course, can say a minus 4 is equal to 0, or a plus the 3 is also equal to 0. So to solve for a, the a value will be equal to 4. Here the a value will be equal to negative 3. So we found the a value. But the question wants us to find the value of what? Of x. So now what we're going to do here is to go back to this stage where we said let a be equal to 2 power x. And what we're going to do here is simply to substitute. So we shall say the value of a, we will start with a 4. So when we write a 4 is equal to 2 power x. You see, where there's 4, we substitute, where there's a, we substitute a 4. And then we say 2 power 2 is equal to 2 power x. The bases are the same. We can say 2 is equal to x. So the value of x, one value of x is equal to what? To a 2. The other value of x, we shall say negative 3 is equal to a 2 power x. So here we need to apply ln, okay, of a negative number, of which ln of a negative number there is no. So this can be found. The bases are not the same. So the only option that we can use to find this is to apply log or ln. Now ln doesn't work with a negative number, so we have to end right over here. Thank you so much for watching. Please share the video, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section, as that will help us grow our YouTube channel and grow the bigger audience family. Thank you, and bye-bye.